What is the Chinese car that will change the industry forever? For over a century, a handful of legendary brands have dominated the automotive world, setting the pace for innovation and design. But now we're witnessing a seismic shift. Emerging players from Taitei, China, like Ozer, are not just entering the market, they are on the verge of leading the next generation of electric vehicles. This shift isn't just a change in who makes our cars, it's a transformation of the entire industry. One of the most talked about new entrants is the Z001, a luxury electric vehicle that's challenging the status quo. This car isn't just another EV, it's a symbol of how rapidly the automotive landscape is evolving. But what makes the 001 so special, and why is it causing such a stir? In this video, we'll dive deep into these questions and explore what the 001 means for the futures of the car industry. The rise of ZER and the 001, from concept to reality. To understand the significance of the 001, it's important to first know the brand behind it. ZER is a luxury electric car brand that has emerged from China's rapidly growing EV industry. Over the past decade, Chinese automakers have undergone a remarkable transformation. Once known for producing basic, affordable cars, they are now creating world-class luxury vehicles that can compete on the global stage. ZER is at the forefront of this new wave, blending a cutting-edge technology with high-end design to create something truly special. The S00 is their flagship model, a car that embodies the brand's vision of the future. But this isn't just about challenging established players, it's about setting new standards. Let's explore the features and technology that make the 001 a standout in the crowded electric vehicle market. Unpacking the 001's features. Luxury meets innovation. The first thing that strikes you about the 001 is its bold use and sophisticated design. With a silhouette reminiscent of the Porsche Panamera, this car seamlessly blends luxury with performance. The design team has focused intensely on aerodynamics, incorporating features like finely patterned air vents to reduce drag and enhance high-speed stability. But the 001's aesthetic appeal doesn't stop at its exterior. The shooting brake's design, a nod to high-end European cars, adds a level of elegance rarely seen in electric vehicles. The advanced lighting systems not only provide functionality, but also contribute to the car's striking visual identity, making it a head-turner on any road. Inside, the 001 is equally impressive. The cabin is a luxurious blend of modern technology and premium materials. At the heart of this setup is a 15-inch OLED touchscreen, the nerve center of the car's operations. Powered by the Mi Snapdragon 8295 chip, this interface offers a fast, intuitive experience, controlling everything from navigation to entertainment. For those who appreciate a more tactile experience, ZER has thoughtfully included physical buttons for key functions, ensuring that the car's technology is both advanced and user-friendly. The 001 also features a 35-inch augmented reality head-up display that projects critical driving information directly onto the windshield. This ensures that drivers stay focused on the road while still being fully informed. Complementing this is a 28-speaker Yamaha sound system, delivering an immersive audio experience that makes every drive more enjoyable. Comfort is another area where the 001 excels. The seats are upholstered in premium leather and come with heating, cooling, and massage functions, features typically found in the most luxurious vehicles. The spacious cabin, designed with ample legroom and headroom, ensures that even long journeys are completed in comfort. In the rear, passengers can adjust their climate settings using a secondary touchscreen, adding a personal touch to the ride. Performance and engineering prowess, redefining speed and power. When it comes to performance, the 001 doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them. The 001 Team variant is the star of the lineup, boasting a staggering 1,248 horsepower. This immense power allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 62 mph in just 2 seconds, placing it in the same league as the world's fastest production cars, like the Tesla Model S Plaid. This power isn't just for show, it's delivered through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that ensures a maximum traction and control even at blistering speeds. The car's 800-volt architecture, similar to what's found in top-tier EVs like the Porsche Taycan, enables a rapid charging. You can go from 10% to 80% battery in just 30 minutes, perfect for those who value both speed and convenience. But the Hot 001 isn't just about raw speed, it's also a handling powerhouse, having set world records for both drifting speed and slalom performance. These records aren't mere accolades, they're a testament to the car's superior engineering and design, which make it a true driver's car. The Cat 001 test offers several drivetrain options, catering to a range of driving preferences, whether you prefer the agility of rear-wheel drive or the stability of all-wheel drive. There's a version of the Hot 001 that suits your style. The top-of-the-line Hot 001 FFR bike model, with its quad-motor setup, delivers an unparalleled performance experience, combining raw power with precise control. Battery life is another area where the 001 shines, with options ranging from 86 kilowatt hours to 140 kilowatt hours. The car offers impressive driving ranges, with the top model achieving up to 466 miles on a single charge. This range not only puts it ahead of many competitors, including the Tesla Model S Plaid and Audi e-tron GT, but also makes it a practical choice for long-distance travel. Safety and innovation, built to protect. In the luxury car market, safety is non-negotiable, and the 001 doesn't disappoint. It has earned a coveted 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating with top scores in all key categories, including adult occupant protection, child occupant protection, and pedestrian safety. This achievement is a clear indication that Azuri is committed to more than just performance. They're also focused on creating one of the safest cars on the road. The Mont 001 US is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane change assistance, and collision mitigation support work together to create a safer driving experience. The car also includes cutting-edge technologies like traffic sign recognition and front and rear cross-traffic alerts, which help prevent accidents before they happen. This commitment to safety not only builds trust with consumers, but also sets Zerward apart in markets where Chinese brands are still establishing their reputation. It's clear that the 001 is designed to meet and exceed global safety standards, making it a formidable competitor in the luxury EV market. Market impact and future prospects. A new contender emerges. The Polo 001 has already made waves in its home market of China, with over 2,000 units sold in the first month alone. This early success is a strong indicator that consumers are ready for a new kind of luxury electric vehicle, one that combines cutting-edge technology with a competitive price point. But Zer's ambitions don't stop at China's borders. The company has announced plans to expand internationally, targeting key markets in Europe, the UK, Latin America, the Middle East, and beyond. This global expansion could signal a major shift in the luxury EV market as Zergy takes on established giants like Tesla, Porsche, and BM. What does the success of the U001 mean for the global auto industry? In simple terms, it represents a significant disruption. For years, traditional luxury car manufacturers have dominated the market, but now, new players like Automotive are challenging their dominance. By bringing fresh innovation and competitive pricing to the table, Zeroz is forcing the industry to evolve more rapidly. As Zera continues to grow and expand, it could reshape the luxury AV landscape, pushing established brands to innovate faster and offer more value to consumers. This increased competition is ultimately beneficial for the market, leading to better cars and more choices for drivers worldwide. Conclusion: the future of luxury EVs. The 001 EU is more than just a car, it's a statement of intent. It shows that the future of the automotive industry isn't just in the hands of established giants, but also in the hands of innovative newcomers who are ready to challenge the status quo. With its stunning design, advanced technology, and record-breaking performance, the 001 is set to make a lasting impact on the industry. So what do you think? Could the 001 be the future of luxury electric vehicles? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching.